This is code.org using the draw loop. Now it's your turn to do some work with the draw loop. Remember that the code inside the draw loop is run by GameLab over and over, right? It loops, it repeats, okay? Do this. Add code to this program so that your drawing has orange circles being drawn too. Move on when your program looks like the picture on the right. Okay, let's see what it has so far. So we got no stroke, so it's not going to have an outline. And then the function in the draw loops, it loops, so it repeats a lot. So then we're going to start repeating fill green and then random number in a random location. So this is going to be, yeah. Okay, and it wants us to change the color. So it looks like that. We could use two. I'm thinking, yeah. All right, so we have a bunch of green. So what I want to do then is I'm going to use this again. I'll just attach it right there. I'm going to go over to drawings. Kind of going to just look at theirs, honestly. Yellow, no. We need orange, it looks like. Yep, orange. And then ellipse. Whoop, ellipse. I don't want to change the size. They didn't mess with the size. They only did X and Y. So let's do math, right? Yep. And they did 0 to 400 because because the coordinates grid, this whole thing is 0 to 400 both ways. So that's how big it is. So they wanted it to be all over the game area. Okay. Let's see if I did something right. Is it ever going to get there? Because, we'll see. Uh-oh. So, that's not actually working, obviously. It's only running the bottom one of these. So, reset. Let's see what happens if I do something like this. Oh, I should delete that, though, because that's what was running before. Ah, that looks much more promising to me. It's like a battle. Hey, that looks pretty similar, I would say. So, I think we got it. Cool, I'm excited to use this in different ways. Let's, continue.